Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. As you can see, I got my St. Patty's or my Mardi Gras hat on. I just figured I probably won't never get another use to it, so might as well go ahead and display it for y'all in the Thrift Store Thursday. So I went to the thrift store and let me show y'all It's not a lot of stuff, but I was super happy with this buy. I spent $15. It's the first time I've ever spent this amount on a few things. So I'm going to start off with, got this gorgeous bowl and paid 69 cents for it. And this will be a nice little centerpiece for the table, or I could turn it upside down and use it, for a height for a platter. And then I found this pretty blue bowl or platter, or it could be for a floor arrangement as well. And I paid 99 cents. And it does have some markings in the back. It looks like it may be from China or one of the Korean states. So, pretty blue bowl. You can see inside how deep it is. And you will see this in an upcoming, most likely, tablescape. But I thought this was an excellent find. And this is really, really heavy. So, for 99 cents, great buy. And then I found, and I normally, when I go into the secondhand store down here, I haven't been going into the the clothing department section or the handbags. And look at this bag I found from Steve Madden. You can see the name. Put it up there. And it's like the winter white. Look how big this bag is. It has the zippers on the side. Like practically brand new. And if you can see inside as well. So whoever had this bag, the only thing is just got to get cleaned up a little bit. It does have like a little pin mark, but I'll get some comment and scratch that, scrape that off, wipe that off. And then the zippers are in excellent condition. It doesn't have the long handle that you would like throw over your shoulder, but it does have the two handles. I could not believe this, and I have been looking for like a winter white bag to go with my rabbit sweater. So this was $2.99. I think it's $2.99, and very nice purse. You just got to, I gotta get it wiped down. But other than that, for $3 for a nice bag like this, okay. But yeah, I mean, for $3, this is nice. I'm gonna be rocking this right before the winter is over with. So I found this bag. And then next, like I said, I was in the clothing section, and I've never bought any clothes from out of this place because they don't have my size. But look at this. Look at this vest, y'all. Now, this is really light. See that? This is really light. And you can wear this on a nice, maybe 60 degrees, 50 degree weather. Where I'm at, this will be just nice with maybe a thin shirt. And just wanted to see if you can see a little bit of it. You see that? And then the back of it, I thought this was sharp. And y'all not going to believe how much I paid for it. I mean, it's so nice and soft. I just got to throw it in the washer. Let me get my camera readjusted, okay? So I paid, let's see how much I paid for this. $3.99. see, $3.99 for this fabulous vest. And look up close, it doesn't have no nicks. It's like somebody wore it and then just got tired of it. But what attracted me to it was, you know, the fake fur in the front. And this will go fabulous with a black turtleneck underneath. Just gorgeous. But then after I had saw that, I came across, oh my goodness, it is still gorgeous. I came across this beautiful, look at that, y'all. Just the sparkles on the camera. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. And this would even go great, you know, underneath the jacket with your arms, you know. So when I looked at the size, it didn't have a size on it. And then on the back, in the back, it has a nice tucked in zipper. So it zippers all the way down in the back, and then you zipper it up. Now, it has beautiful lining inside of it. So I said, well, should I leave it, being that I know it's not going to go across my front bustier? I said, oh no, I'm not leaving this, because me as a sewer, when I was standing, I was in that store for about an hour just looking at the beading. Look at the lining on that. And I know I'm not going to be able to find this exact beading or this fabric, because I was thinking about inside, you know, taking the arms off and adding more fabric for the arms, and then with the back of this, split this up, you know, cut this down the middle and put more fabric on it, and then add a new zipper, but keep the front, because all I'm actually doing is widening it. But before I even try to attempt and destroy this beautiful shirt, blouse, I am going to put my real expensive girdle on that has the bone where you pull you in. And I'm going to try to get in this shirt. Now, I don't have no intentions of going anywhere with it right now, but just the beauty. Look at that. Just the beauty of this shirt. Oh my goodness. It is just so fabulous. So after I do all that, you know, get my husband to crisscross me and pull me and pull me and pull me and see if I can get into this. If I can't, y'all will see a DIY where I will be taking the back of this material, and then I was thinking putting it on the back of this vest. So the back, stay with me. So the back will have this material on the back of the jacket. See how I just transformed that? Of course, the V-neck, but I would cut it from here and sew that on the back of the jacket. That's even sharp too. And then the front will just have this fake fur in the front. Let me know what your honest opinion is. Should I leave the vest by itself, or if I can't get the shirt to fit, do you think it will look cool with the shirt on the back of the vest? I like to get your, know your honest opinion, but that was my intentions on what I had planned on doing with this beautiful shirt. I don't know. I have a lot of things that I'm thinking about what I could do with this blouse. I can actually cut it up and put my Barbies, make shirts, you know, a dress for my Barbie. But just to waste this for a doll, child, I got to figure out what I can actually be able to wear this out in public, because it is so beautiful in person. Even if I was to take the arms off, both the arms, follow me, cut the arms off, right? And then I'll have one big tube and find out where the seam is, slit that one and the other arm, and then I also can have a beautiful scarf with the two arms going around. But there's a lot of material. Like I said, you got the front, and then you have this whole panel right here. You got that one panel, and then you got another panel. So I found my foot pedal to my sewing machine, y'all. So guess what? My sewing series will be coming, and this is the kickoff to my sewing series. Okay, so enough with this, because I'm just memorized with this shirt here. All right, I got two more things to show you. Now I found these. It says swivel stick set, and it was 49 cents. See it? 49 cents. And these are just, again, you know, Christmas stuff. But they're the little sticks that you put down in your beverage to stir up coffee or tea or a mixed drink or whatever. But they have different snowmen on them. You can see him. And this is the other one. It's like two of the same, and then it's only one of this one with the baby blue hat. So you get a total of 6 in a pack. Oops. Get a total of 6 in a pack. And for 49 cents, I said, hey, I might as well get these. I'll put these up with the other things that I have been finding. So I thought that was a great deal. And lastly, I found this large red, I say it's like an ice bucket. Inside, barely used, and this was $2.99. You can see the price, $2.99. This is going to go great outside. Fill it up with, you know, soda and little beverages next to my other gift that I'm treating myself. I will be ordering it, and that I will be doing a video once it arrives. But yeah, that bucket will be for my beverages while I'm outside in the back this summer. And then also it'll be good to take down to the beach with me. Of course, I wouldn't fill it up until I got there, but I thought this was a great find. And it's like somebody really didn't even use this thing. And for $2.99, unheard of. So I want to thank you all for tuning in to my thrift store days. And again, please make sure to leave me a comment if you watched the whole video about what I should do with this shirt, because it is just too fabulous to you know, make Barbie clothes out of it. I mean, if I have scraps, then that's what we'll end up with it. But your honest opinion, if I should leave the vest by itself or have the vest that's plain in the back to add the fabric to the back of the jacket to jazz it up a little bit. So once again, if you're new to the channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and double tap the bell so you'll get notifications of all my new content that I have coming forth for 2020 here on If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And then once again, to all my fabulous subscribers who have been tuning in, who have been watching all my series, I really appreciate you all. And with that being said, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.